Hi everybody, it's Big E, affectionately known as Big E Crawls, with a model update. The team build for this 66 Chevelle SS. Bossman wanted me to explain why we got a 66 Chevelle SS. That was a car that I had picked. We had a lottery or a raffle to see which one we picked, but this particular car I had hanging up in my room when I was a young boy. Was my favorite car. I like the 66 because it's got a different body shape than the 70, 71, 72s that everybody else seems to like. But I like this particular body shape, so that's why I picked it. And luck of the draw, we got to build it. So my job this week was to put the body, do the finishing touches on the body and get that mounted on the car, get it painted. The car itself is very complete right now, pretty complete. Guys ahead of me have already done the bottom of the car, which looks awesome. The turquoise paint color on the inside, and I needed to pick a body color to match that or get close to that. It's not a lot of help with the internet as far as finding color combinations with the turquoise green interior that was a factory color. So I picked this color. This is a cobalt blue, actually, from Tamiya. And that matches the interior pretty well, which we used, which was an aquatic turquoise from, that's AK paints. So the two colors kind of complement each other. And because it's an SS, it needed stripes on it. So we did stripes on the rear tailgate. The hood is not my responsibility. That's going to get done next week. So the hood, I did not finish the hood, but we started with stripes on the back. With any luck, Caleb will be able to finish the stripes on the hood also. I did that with Spastics masking tape. This is 18 millimeter, I believe, masking tape. It's a new masking tape that we got in, and it seemed to hold the lines pretty well, which is pretty good. I used a flat black from Revell for the actual lines for the SS stripes. After the black, I had to paint over that with white so as to conceal and not darken the cobalt blue that we painted the rest of the body with. So currently we're in the front windshield phase where I've got the front windshield glued in, and for that we're using the Revell contact cement, which works really, really well. I'll put the rear windshield in, and then I'm done. So stay tuned for next week's episode where they'll show you more of this. Thank you and have a great day.